Hello, Federico and I are here today at Moskvarium, home to 12,000 different inhabitants, 25 million litres of water, as well as an iconic Storm Island show, Path of Water exhibition and fish feeding sessions as well. So pop those flippers on and let's check it out. Now on our way to visit the Path of Water exhibition. Federico and I are getting ready for the water show. You excited, Mr. Federico? Here we have the Baikal seal, which is endemic to Russia's famous Lake Baikal. It is 25% fat, much like myself after New Year's, as well as having an incredibly long time to spend underwater. The Baikal seal has 2 liters of extra blood compared to that of an Arctic seal and can dive for about 40 minutes as opposed to an Arctic seal's 15. This is the path of water through a stinging field of jellyfish. I'm told that this is the zone in which we will get very, very splashed. The sanctuary for the turtles. The largest turtle is the leatherback turtle, which can go to an age of 60 years, 2.7 meters in length, and grow to a weight of 500 kilograms. Here at Moskvarium we have the hawksbill turtle, the alligator snapping turtle, and the toad-headed turtle. Maria, can you translate some of these questions for us?
It got questions why the water is wet.
Why is water wet? Keep thinking about that one. These guys are ready for the splashes. Here we have the clownfish, a true hermaphrodite. All of these fish are born male, and the largest becomes a female. They secrete a substance from their skin, which means they are not threatened by the anemone in which they live in.
From what place is the water on Earth?
Where does water come from? That's what we want to know. Here we go. Maria, favorite animal for today?
I really like the dolphin.
Federico, do you like dolphins? Take that as a yes. Oh, that was a very good dolphin impression. Well done, sir. This is Maria testing her percentage of water. Congratulations! Maria, how do you feel?
Really hydrated.
Here we have the lionfish. Lionfish are native to the Indo-Pacific region and famous for their incredibly painful toxins. Our task is to turn on the water like this, and then we move these cups around. There we go. And try and fill them up. We can fill up this one as well. Is that gonna work? Kinda. There we go. We can fill up all of the containers with our water, and we can learn that you drink about 2 liters of water a day. Fun facts. Hello, madam. How are you? Welcome to the Way of the Water, where you can learn about using fluids for your daily activities. Federico, how have you enjoyed today's visit to the aquarium? What a fantastic show. And I think it is a little bit of bedtime. Well, Mr. Federico. Bedtime? Absolutely. He's tired. Thank you so much for watching. Federico and I were certainly very inspired by the animals we saw today. If you were also inspired, please do like, subscribe, and check out our next videos. Thank you for watching. Bye. Bye.